Hey guys, and welcome back to Space Astronomy. We've got a number of things that we need to do. We've had the quarry going for a little bit since last time. I took a load of cobble and deposited it into our barrel, which filled it up. So let's go ahead and check out and see what we have in here so far. Okay. We got another load of cobble we need to throw out. So let's go ahead and grab that. Maybe make it into some twice compressed cobblestone. We'll also grab the dirt so we can throw that into our barrels. I think that's all we got. We'll eventually want to expand this reactor, or perhaps when we make our moon base, we can make a bigger reactor then. I think it's about, once these ender lilies grow, I think we'll be able to make that portal to make it easier for us to go to both locations more easily without having to worry about fuel. But since we were able to make rocket fuel now, that's not so much of an issue. But if we're going to make that our main base, it's probably a priority. Alright, let's grab this dirt, switch that out, deposit all that. Let's put the ingots back away so we don't really need them at the moment, and craft us some double compressed cobblestone. Eventually we'll be able to use this to get to the deep dark, which might be something that we could do. I'm not sure if there are digital miners in this mod pack, but if there is, then that might be something to look forward to. But let's continue stacking this cobblestone in here. Alright. Oh, one more stack right there. Perfect. And so we'll be able to carry more cobblestone now. I think I already made some in here. Yeah, I made a stack before out of the extras that I had. We'll throw that away. Let's deposit some of these in our chests. We also want to consider building the computer from Applied Energistics. I think that would probably help us out some. Let's also deposit this, and we'll just eat these, get us our levels back from before. We also want to see if we have any tin in our quarries. But let's go take a nap, since it's nighttime, and we'll check those out in the morning. And also get this rain to stop. Let's go check this out. We've got this nice sunny morning. We'll check out both of our quarries. I don't know if I emptied the first chest yet. We can also set up some... Oh, we've got quite a few things. Some copper, iron, lead, silver, 4 diamonds. Fantastic. We'll just grab the ores for right now. I think that looks pretty good. We'll grab the coal later. We can always use that in the metallurgic infuser right next to us. Let's deposit the ores in here so that way we make sure that it'll pick up all of these types and not fill it in with cobble. Let's organize. Grab this cobble out. And also the gravel, and the dirt, and let's see if we have any tin. 27 tin. Do we have any other tin? I think that's probably it for right now. We'll keep 1 tin in here just to make sure that we don't lose it. And grab this stuff while we're here. Let that continue to go, and we'll smelt this thing up. So we'll check out and see what we have in the smeltery. We should have nothing in there that would create alloys, but we'll just be careful. We'll check it first. Oh, didn't mean to grab that. Aluminum, brass, and blood won't create alloys, and we already have 30 tin. Let's go drop in some more, and we'll make some more double compressed cobblestone. Eventually, once we get applied energistics working, we'll be able to auto craft these things and actually use some of our cobblestone, since we have, I think, 10,000, which is quite a lot, but that'll be fine. It's blank. Alright, cool. Get us some more. 9. And we'll put that in here for right now. Throw these. And let's go ahead and put the gravel in our barrel. Yeah, so 10,000. Alright, cool. Alright, so we have 82 ingots, so we should be able to pour out 9 blocks. So let's grab that, and we can continue making our tin canisters to work on the food quest that we were working on last time. It uses a lot of tin, and we don't get that much rewards for it, but we need to do it so that we can unlock further things in the quest book after they changed it and started our progress over. Wonderful. This should be a good start anyway. Let's grab that, make it into ingots, and we'll also put the ingot cast back down. Awesome. Eat that up. Grab these 3. Pour out 3 more, and that should be 81 ingots. But we should be fine for right now. So we're missing some potatoes, and was it carrots that we had last? Let's check the quest book. To start, show quests. Is it exploring the universe? No. Which we need to go back and find another dungeon. Here we go. Alright, so we need 3 more cans of potatoes, and what type is that? I am not certain. It's a can of food. Alright, it is dehydrated apples. Easy enough. So let's look around for where we put the potatoes. Not over there. I'm guessing I put it in the outside chest that we made. Alright, so we got some potatoes and we got apples. Awesome. So we need to make 13 more tin canisters. So let's make these back into here. Alright, so that's 6. Alright, and we need more than 6. Alright. And we'll go right here. Go 4. Alright. We need more than 12. We need 1 more canister after that for 13. Cool. And I think that should do us. So let's make 3 more potatoes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Now we just need 10 more of these, 10 more of those. We'll keep 1 of the canisters because they're always useful. Dehydrated apples, and I think that's good. So let's check that out. What do we want? I think we're going to go with a light blue candy cane because candy canes are awesome. Claim that and see what we got next. Creating a small base with oxygen. Oxygen collector, leaves, yeah, we know that. We have to craft them. Alright, let's see if we can... we have a bubble distributor on the moon, and we have an oxygen collector here. So I'm going to see if just having it in the inventory will be enough, but I don't think that'll be the case. So oxygen collector. Boom. Alright, let's check her. Nope. We're going to have to craft another one. Now that will eventually be useful for when we go to another planet. Right now it's just sort of a hassle. But it is what it is. Let's deposit this food because we don't really need it right now. Let's grab some of this wood. Throw these apples in there. And we'll eat some of this concentrated essence berry. Awesome. Let's put that away. Throw this back on here, and we'll take a look at the what the oxygen machines need. So we'll go into oxygen. I'm guessing, alright, oxygen collector. We need a bubble distributor and an oxygen collector. So we need to make some more compressed steel, which means iron. So let's take a look at our iron selection. I don't think we have enough right here. Let's empty this out of tin, pour that in there, and we'll get some iron in there, and then we'll use the metallurgic infuser. But let's go to our quarries and see how much iron we have. I think we have a sizable amount, so that will be very good for us. Let's also check our... Okay, cool. We still have stuff in there, so that's nice. Alright, I put in the uranium right there. Hopefully that'll work. If not, we have some yellorium that we can use that I'm sure works. Alright, so iron, we have over a stack, and that'll be 2 stacks of iron. I think that's done building. We'll need to make some more aluminum wire, and we can continue on with that. We'll let it build up some power first. So let's go back to the smeltery and deposit all this in there. We should also check on the hooch and see how that's coming along, and we can make some more rocket fuel. Alright, so there's blood. Let's deposit what we can. 63 iron ingots all at once. That's pretty cool. Let's deposit our tin ingot right there, and our ore right there. Alright, cool. Those should melt relatively quickly. Let's grab this bucket to refill ourselves up. Really glad we grabbed all those buckets when we did. Put that up. Awesome. We'll throw the tin canister somewhere. We don't really need... Well, we can use that to make 1 aluminum, which is kind of useless. Let's grab that egg. We'll just throw it down somewhere. It's not a big deal. 126. So we should be able to get quite a few blocks with this. So let's just pour out a few. Grab this tin. Alright. And then we'll grab 2 rows of this and we'll put it in the metallurgic infuser over there, because this one I believe is running redstone rather than coal. Right, cool. We'll grab 6 of these, and then we'll convert those into ingots and pour out, and we'll run over there because it'll take us a little while to get so much steel. But it's got to be done. Pour again. Awesome. Let's convert these. 54. It's good enough for right now. And we'll see what else we need. Some metallurgic infuser. Pop that on in there. Start the noise. Run back over here. Let's see what else we need for the 2 things. Bubble distributor. We're going to need more steel. Oxygen vent 10. We can do that. Aluminum 10. Yeah. Alright, we might need some more basic wafers, but I think we got some earlier. Oh, looks like it's about to be nighttime. Let's grab another stack of this. Let's check and see if that is redstone. So we'll save that. Let's grab another 6 blocks. Well, we'll just keep pouring for a bit because I think we should be fine. And we'll go to bed here shortly. So let's grab this iron. And we'll also take a look at the other quests and see what we can do. Additionally, once these ender lily seeds grow, I'm thinking about building some wings. One of a commenter suggested we get some wings, and I'm not sure if they meant the extra utilities wings or the traveler's wings, but I think the traveler's wings is actually feasible, whereas the other wings require a nether star, which I'm not exactly sure how you get in survival, and we haven't even been to the nether yet, so be a little bit of a problem. Let's grab those, and we'll head on to bed.